Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, and we're going to be using the nail gun. I got a new setup. Oh. So it's less bright. Come on, let's get me in a game right now. Nail gun. What the? Oh, we're getting spawn camp. Bop. I think this thing like 2 shots at close range. And it's a nail gun. It's not like the Black Ops 3 one has attachments. It only has 1 extra magazine, so it only has like 15 reserve ammo when you spawn. So you really do need scavenger when you're using this. Or use danger close, because it gives you max ammo when you spawn. Okay, I'm just getting destroyed. Oh, come on, bro. It's hard to use a freaking nail gun. Like, really? It has, like, a really bad damage drop-off. Because it at, like, really close range, it's a 2-shot. But, like, past really close range, it's a 3-shot. It's a pretty weird gun. Got halftime. Look at this dude. Thinking he's all good using a freaking MG42 or MG38. And why do I keep MG82? I don't know how to say that gun. Look at that. You have the LC10 for backup. We're most gonna use nail gun. Oh, poo-poo kid. Why am I trying to kill him at long range? Should I use LC10 there? He's got destroyed. Ah! I don't have. Do I have flat jacket on this? Man, he must be in direct impacting me with the grenade launcher. Oh, I'm lagging. What was a headshot? Nail straight to the face. What the? What the? Oh, I did not see that guy there. I'm doing trash. What? My gun just stopped shooting. My nails stopped shooting. This gun takes skill. You gotta lead your shots. Ah, come here! We finally got a kill. Oh, this is the right time to use the LC10. Oh, I have the task force barrel. Let's try this one. Whoops. I had too much recoil. Level 3 nail gun. No, I don't have stims. Okay. Okay, this gun just destroys at close range. And then, like, point blank, done.
Mom, which Roblox is it?
I'm making a YouTube video. Wait, what? Oh, he's laying down. Kitty's boys. Ah. Haven't been uploading because I've been trying to get the nail gun. Thought I had got stims. Ah, noob. Noob. Laser. Nail gun's meta gun. Nail gun meta. Nail gun's the best gun in Warzone. This is a bro moment. I'm burning. Pour smoke. I ran out of ammo. Try to go with this. I'm 20 and 26. Noob. Well, poop. Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye.